My name is Mita, but sometimes I'm Mora. Mita plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder. Hello. Hi. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And I'll be sure to show you lots and lots of love, Miss Thing. And if you like my content, Miss Thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Okay? And don't forget to hit that notification bell, especially because I have unlocked community chat and you can now participate in my upcoming videos. I put up polls, guys, for you guys to interact. I love interacting with you guys. And yeah, that's just what I like to do. So today, guys, I wanted to talk to you about Camille Rose Naturals. Yay! Guys, as you guys know, I have recently experienced protein overload with my hair. My hair was not curling, girl. It was so unhealthy, brittle. It was breaking in the shower and just falling out, guys. As most of you know, protein damage is no joke and will destroy the health and overall just standard of your hair. You know what I mean? So I was on the hunt, Miss Thing. Okay, I went into the jungle.
What the hell is going on with her butt?
I went to the castles of Avalon and I went and I got me some Camille Rose cosmetics. Wait, what? I went and got me some Camille Rose beauty hair products, Miss Thing. And although I was so sketchy about this brand because they are indeed expensive, I would say they're more on the middle class spectrum because we do have a lot of high-end hair products. So I wouldn't say they're high-end, but I would say they are pretty pricey. Okay, so I went and after doing research after research and seeing reviews after reviews and 10,000 reviews later, Miss Thing, the Camille Rose penetrating hair conditioner. Now I use this as a deep conditioner. Let me show you guys. I have used it twice and I have used a lot of product there, guys. Let me just show you what the consistency is like. It is pretty thick. So it is a pretty thick consistency. Guys, I gotta tell you, when you put this on your hair, you feel your hair absorbing the moisture. What? What you say?
What? What you say?
You feel your hair absorbing the moisture. When I was in the shower, and what I do is I like to put this on after I wash my hair and condition my hair. I will use this as a deep conditioner, put it in my hair and go under my steamer, guys. And I have got to tell you, this thing is a godsend. I love it so much. It really moisturizes the hair and just gives it a shine and a glow from within, and I just absolutely love this stuff. Okay, that's what I have to say about that. Now after I rinse out my deep conditioner, I will go in with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. This is what it looks like. And guys, I love this stuff. I have used fairly a nice amount. If you can see the line there, you will see where the bottle is about here. So I have a lot of product left, and I will just show you. This is more of a kind of thicker, but yet guys, just like a silky consistency. I mean, what else is there to say, Miss Thing? The thing is, it's like butter. I love it, Miss Thing. I freaking love it. Okay, anyways, I put this in my hair to moisturize before I do my protective style to finish off my week with my hair. I'm trying to go anywhere between 4 and 5 days without washing my hair, just to rejuvenate this hair and get this hair back to a good standing health, because it is not doing so well. But it has gotten better since I've been using these Camille Rose products, guys, and it's only been about 2 weeks that I've had these products. So that is completely mind-blowing for you to have protein damage in your hair and to go and to actually be on the road to recovery that soon, guys. And I say that because I've had protein damage before, and I had to cut my hair off, guys. So this is, oh my god, this I can't tell you. If you have, guys, if you have very dry, brittle, curly hair, guys, if your hair is constantly dry and you cannot get moisture in your hair, please try Camille Rose. Not sponsored, guys. I am not sponsored. I wish I would have known about this a lot sooner. It would have just really helped me if I had known about this a lot sooner on my hair journey. Okay, now for the final product that I bought, this is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Now I use this as a gel. It's what I used on my hair today. It's what I will be demonstrating today. I will be telling you how I achieve this look on my curls, how I get a nice defined curl look and achieve a nice wash and go, guys. I was working with 2-day hair. However, it should not have came out this nice, but it did, guys. And I had this thing in my hair for 2 days, guys. And when I took my bun out, I did a bun as a protective style. And I have to tell... That's Daniel's home. Hi, kiddo.
I'm so sorry.
How was school?
I don't even know why I said that.
How are you?
I'm alright.
How was wrestling?
Oh, to practice today was good.
Awesome. Great to hear. So I was going on 2-day hair, guys, and I had used this to moisturize. And let me tell you, when I took out that bun and I felt my hair, I still felt the moisture of this product in my hair. So that is amazing that it was still there and it was still doing its job, Miss Thing. So that is great to know. Now let's get into the pricing of these products. I believe this one was about anywhere between $22 and $24. I don't have the price here, but I'm sure that's pretty much what it was in that range spectrum. This one is $23.99, and this is the gel. And then we have the Moisture Milk, which was $14.99. Now, guys, it is a little pricey compared to other drugstore hair products, but I promise you guys, you will not regret trying these products out. They saved my hair, and I am absolutely in love with Camille Rose. I can't wait to try more of their other products and do some more reviews for you guys. I really want to see what else that this brand has to offer, guys, because my hair is giving scandalonina. I'm giving a whole look, Miss Thing. You know what I'm saying? But yes, guys, I am feeling myself, girl. But enough with the chitter chatter, dabber matter. Let's get right into this wash and go tutorial. Let's get into this hair tutorial. So I already have all products in my hair. My hair is going on 2-day, 3-day hair, but I can still accomplish that wash and go as I'm feeling. Excuse the sazon on my hands, guys. I'm cooking for my family. I made pork chops. I still have the Curl Love Moisture Milk in my hair. I can feel it as I touch my hair. I can feel it is still moisturized, Miss Thing. So all we're going to be using today is the Curl Maker, which is kind of like a gel. And I really want to see what this is giving, guys. So let's do it, let's do it, eh? Now I already have the other products in my hair. I'm going to part the bottom down here like so. I'm gonna clip this up like that, and we are going to part this into 2 pieces. And I'm going to saturate this in water, because if you want a good wash and go, you have to make sure your hair is fully saturated, guys, or you will not get good results. That's just, you know, that's the gist of it. Now I'm gonna comb it out using a Denman brush. This is my go-to brush. And then I'm going to feel my hair to make sure that it is thoroughly wet and moisturized. So my hair is wet and I do feel it soft. Now I'm gonna go in. This is the consistency of it, and I'm gonna go ahead and saturate my hair in this gel and see I'm gonna move back a little, guys. Now let's see. Now that was 1 or 2 pumps. Now I need another pump, because I want to see if this is going to define my curls, and is it going to hold. That is the main thing. Is it going to hold my hair? Because I was using Eco Styler gel before, but now I stopped using Eco Styler because I heard that the Camille Rose worked just as good, and it doesn't have protein in it like the flaxseed castor oil Eco Styler gel. My hair is protein sensitive, so I can't use that gel. That gel was not working for me. It worked to get my hairs down and everything, but it was drying the heck out of my hair because of the protein. My hair's protein sensitive. So now I'm just going to finger comb my hair. I'm going to take the Denman brush because the Denman brush always does my hair justice for curl definition. And then I'm going to scrunch it up and see what she's giving. If she's giving scandalo or no. Okay, guys, this is looking great. My curls are clumping together. We are getting some awesome definition here. Woo! Girl, I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so what I'm noticing is you have to work in small sections. For someone like me who has extremely dry, and I'm still recovering from protein overload. So someone like me who has low porosity hair, who does have, you know, damaged hair, you need to do small sections, okay? So now I'm gonna take about 3 pumps, start at the ends. I find this works best for me, and then work my way to the root, like so. Then I'm going to take my Denman brush like this, and I'm just kind of I'm gonna let it be, girl. And I'm just gonna repeat this process. So definitely, I'm noticing about 3 pumps per section is working pretty good for me. It's saturating all the hair, and it's giving me excellent, excellent results as far as clumping my hair. So I'm just gonna take the Denman brush, comb through, and then kind of finger comb after that, just to make sure my curls clump. Now here you can see we got some frizzing. I'm just gonna take 1 more pump and put it in that area so that the curls clump together. If not, my hair will be a freaking frizz ball, okay? So that's that. So we're just gonna continue the process all over my head, pretty much. That's the goal. And I have so much hair, guys. Like, it's not even a joke how much freaking hair I have. It's crazy because I remember when my hair was falling out. I'll see if I find a picture and I'll put it in so you guys can see. When my hair was falling out, girl, and my hair was so brittle and so unhealthy. Like, guys, I just came to terms with the fact that my hair does not, okay? It does not take heat well. It just never does. Every time I use a flat iron on my head, girl, or a blow dryer and blow out my hair, it's a scandal, girl. It's a scandal. My hair goes through it. So I just gave it up, to be honest. I might be doing a roller set soon to come. We shall see. I'm not too sure yet, but I think I might be doing a roller set. Okay, so we got 3 pumps here. Try not to use too much, but I want to use enough that my hair takes definition. You know what I mean? I don't want to be cheap with the product because the product is expensive, guys, but I don't want to be cheap with it and then we don't get, I don't give this curl maker the best review. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm being cheap with product. So I don't want to do that. However, this product is mad messy. It gets everywhere. So now I'm going to use my Demon brush. And as you can see, that white, literally guys, the white that is showing up is from the Curl Love Moisture Milk that I put in my hair 2 days ago. And it still has my hair moisturized 2 days later. That's crazy. Now that's ludicrous. Okay, so now we're gonna take this side down. Take that side down. Girl, we're gonna get all this hair. I'm gonna wet this here because it seems to be, if it dries out, just wet it and kind of clump those curls together. If you see anything getting out of hand, that's the way to go. And then we're gonna take this hair and we're gonna saturate it. And we're just gonna repeat the process. So I'm going to finish my hair, guys, and I will be back. As you can see, this is the finished look, darling. These are the curls that we have. This is the curl definition that I have. My hair, as you can see pretty up close, you can see that shine, how shiny the curls are. They are so shiny and defined. This is my main problem area down here. Is usually really dry, and the fact that my curls are clumping and just so defined down here is truly, truly amazing, guys. And I absolutely, like, I'm just in love with my hair. I don't know what else to say. I just really, really love it. Now, my final thoughts. I'm pretty sure you guys know what my final thoughts are. I love these products, guys. I love the definition it gives my hair. Of course, I could diffuse and make my hair bigger. However, I'm not a fan of big hair. Not all the time. I usually like to have a big full set of curls around 3-4 day hair. The first day of my wash and go, I kind of just like to let it air dry, and I don't like it to be too big because then my wash and goes won't last me days on end. I would have to end up washing my hair, so I don't want to do that. So I save that style is usually for like the last day before wash day, okay, or the day of. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful to someone, and I hope you try it out, guys, if you're having trouble with your hair. And I promise you, my curly girls, it will save your life. Mwah. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video, Miss Thing.